Hey there, welcome to the UkeStuff channel and welcome to this tutorial video for the play-along videos of We're Going to the Beach from Pete the Cat, the series that is on Amazon Prime. So with this song, there are only 4 chords, basic strumming pattern, and if you have young children in your life or you just like Pete the Cat, it's a great song to play along with, and it shows up throughout the series over and over again. So it's a song that does make its appearance many times in the series. Now, in this video, what we're going to do is, first of all, we'll look at the chords you need for soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele, GCEA tuning. Then we'll look at the chords you need for baritone, DGBE tuning, and then I'll talk about strumming. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are 3 things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to the channel. Third, you can always buy me a coffee to say thank you at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff, or you can even sort of purchase a pick. Ultimately, you're making a donation. I send you a pick as a thank you. That's also on buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. All right, let's begin with soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele in GCEA tuning. I'll be using this instrument, a low-cost, no longer available Rogue RU12 soprano ukulele, RU12. All right, the first chord you need is a C chord. Then you need the F chord. Then you need the G7 chord. And then you need the D minor chord. So you play the F chord and you add 1 finger. And those are the 4 chords you need for soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele GCEA tuning. Now let's talk about baritone ukulele. For baritone ukulele, I'll be using this instrument. This is my mainland baritone, cedar top, rosewood back and sides. The first chord is a C chord. The second chord is the F chord. Now, don't let the F chord defeat you. It's not as hard as you think it is, and if you don't play it perfectly, it's okay. But take your first finger and put it across the first and second strings, right above middle, first fret, and then pull against the fretboard. So support your ukulele firmly and pull against the fretboard, and that alone, without any thumb at all, should give you clear sound there. Then add your thumb for some extra support. You don't have to overpress if you're pulling against the fretboard. Then add 2 fingers. That's your F chord on baritone DGBE ukulele. Then the G7 chord, and then the D minor chord. That one might require a little bit of practice. Get that G7 planted first, and then add 2 more fingers to it. And those are the 4 chords you need to play We're Going to the Beach from Pete the Cat on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. Now, first and foremost, as it comes to strumming, there's no one singular right answer here, so please do not think that you have to have everything perfect. Play what works for you. If you're playing along with the beat and it sounds good, that's really what matters. Run away from anybody that tells you there's only one way to do something, because that's just not the case here. Now, as it comes to this song, there are really only 2 things I would tell you to do. First of all, you need to know how to roll a chord. And I've seen other teachers teach rolling a chord, but rolling a chord is just running your finger up and down the strings fast. And I always want to strum where the neck meets the body right here. Not here, because then your fingers get going. So when I'm teaching 5th graders ukulele, there's always a few kids that, they're strumming and all of a sudden their fingers go in there, or they're using a pick, like the ones that I offer in UkeStuff.info, and the pick will go into the ukulele because they're strumming in the wrong spot. Well, strum a little bit higher up and then go back and forth. Now, I did see a teacher that said that you just put your thumb on the ukulele and just flick your finger back and forth. That seems harder to me and not connected to normal ukulele strum that happens in the wrist anyway. So you play your C roll, stop, your F roll, and your G7 roll, and then you stop, and then we start with strumming. So for strumming, I just do this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. I'm skipping 1 up. So instead of just going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, I'm going down, down, up, down, up, down, up. could you play, for example, the island strum? Sure. The island strum is down, down, up, up, down, up. It's only one miss compared to what we just did. Now you might say, is there any reason why you would choose not to use island strum? The only reason for me is that as I'm playing along, I don't hear that island strum being played by the ukulele. It's more sort of that pattern. It doesn't have that sort of staggered feel of the island strum. But you know what? If you hear that, or you just want to play along with it, that's an absolutely valid solution as well. There's not just one answer here. All right, and with those 4 chords and those strumming patterns, that's probably all you need to do to be successful on We're Going to the Beach from Pete the Cat, as seen on the Amazon Prime series. All right, thanks so much for joining me for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.